If you found this spring that your yard is not up to par, maybe you're facing some of the dilemmas that I have in my yard. We had some chinch bug damage, and we also had some large patch damage, and it killed portions of the grass. So this spring, as things have come back to life and the grass is no longer dormant, we found many holes, and it's just kind of rough and not so very good looking. So what I've decided to do here in this instance is to get a load of sand and fill in the holes. And what you can do is take a couple of shovels full, pour it into the holes. You want to rake it over to make sure that it falls down to the crowns of the grass, and the leaves can come up, the blades can come up and continue to photosynthesize. And then this grass will continue to spread out and fill in the holes. And so we've got some repairs here, and it's great. There are many options you can use here. You can use sand. You can also get topsoil. Another option is river silt, or you can go a little bit more expensive and use some other type of media and put in. But sand is a very economical choice in this instance, not very expensive, and you can get it at many of the local retail garden centers that will deliver it to your home. You can also order in bags, but it's just kind of difficult to move those things around. But it's an easy way to even your lawn back out and get it growing back in its full vigor. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk Ballard with the LSU Ag Center.